Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Sheba Renee and thank y'all for tuning in. Today I did a wash and go and I used 2 leave-ins to achieve this style. I already did one side to speed up the process, so if you're interested, keep watching. Newcomers, tap the subscribe button and that notification bell for my future uploads, and let's get on into it. So the first leave-in I'm going in is with the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. Now, it says that this coconut shea leave-in is one of our best hydrators. Its creamy consistency absorbs into the hair, locking in moisture. It promotes curl definition. Though it's primarily a moisturizer, this leave-in also helps smooth and clumps curls together, and it leads to more defined styling. So let me just say the shine is like right there, and the smell, I love it. It just smells like coconut shea, like on some real shit. Moving on, I'm going to set and define my hair with the devacurl Believe-In. Now, we already know this is nothing new to the game. This is old, but some good stuff. This is the Miracle Curl Plumper. And what this says on the back is it's a lightweight jelly that contains conditioning, strengthening blend of wheat protein, lemongrass, and chamomile. This moisturizing formula adds instant shine, volume, and plumpness to the curls. And when I tell you it's no lie, please believe in the Believe-In, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to shut my yap. I'm going to let y'all rock out onto this video, and I'll come back at the end with my thoughts and how I feel about this combination. So for third day hair, y'all, I still have definition. She has more body. She still has the shine. The moisture is there. I have no flaking. I have no complaints. And I will definitely do the combination again. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Comment. Subscribe to my channel if you are a newcomer. And don't forget to tap that notification bell for my future uploads. Again, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon.